Oh God, guys, how tragic. So I just recorded this long video and realized that the sound was not even on. So yeah, eek. Let's see. So yeah, so that's pretty unfortunate. I'm gonna have to just do it again quickly, which, you know, ultimately is sad for you all because it was kind of a long video. But anyway, bottom line is that I have very fine hair, as you guys know, and I am simultaneously protein sensitive and in need of protein. So typically I do protein treatments every 2 to 3 weeks. Protein strengthens the hair, particularly if you have fine hair. You are prone to breakage, fraying, split ends, etc. And so adding protein to your hair helps strengthen it. Strengthen it? I don't know. Anyway, it helps it, and particularly the ends, because the ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair. And so they tend to be the thinnest, the weakest, and of course that's why it's hard to retain length, because they tend to split off. So all in all, I tend to do protein treatments, like I said, 2 to 3 weeks, but I have had the craziest 3 weeks and have focused more on working out and studying and not at all on really taking care of my hair, and it's tended to feel like a burden instead of like an escape like it normally does. So fast forward to today, I started on my hair routine and I co-washed with my fave co-wash, co-washing conditioner, Say Yes to Cucumbers. I swear by it. Makes my hair feel like silk every time. So I co-washed with that, and then I put on my my light protein treatment, which is the ApHogee 3-minute or 2-minute reconstructor. Can't remember, but it's 2 or 3 minute reconstructor. Normally I leave it on for at most 3 minutes, like it suggests. When I first started using it, I would leave it on for like 30 minutes and it made my hair feel really brittle, hence protein overload, because I was using like different conditioners that had protein in it and then it was doing that, so it was just too much. So typically I use it now like every couple weeks, and I put it on for like a few minutes. So this time I put it on and I had a friend who was in town from Chicago, and so I did not have time to rinse it out. A childhood friend, so I wanted to make sure I saw her so before she left in the morning. So I put it on and I left it in, and I thought it was going to be a quick lunch / dinner, and it was not. It ended up being like a many hour catch up, and so I had the protein treatment on my hair for 4 hours. Now, I'm not a scientist, so I'm not sure what the effects are, versus 3 minutes versus 4 hours, if it's really not that big of a deal, or if it depends on your particular type of hair or whatever variables may be. But for my hair, it was like, it felt like silk when I was rinsing it out. I mean, it felt conditioned and it was detangled and it was like soft and strong and supple all at the same time. It was amazing. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Like I said, I did this 2 seconds ago and with no video, with no audio, but you know, I 2-strand twisted my hair. But this is my hair about 50% dry now, actually, because I've been doing this for a couple times. But here is my hair, my natural curl pattern, kind of like a wavy, and once this split ends, once the heat damage is off, my ends do in fact curl. You can't tell now because of all this straightness that's going on. But that's that. And I also wanted to do a quick length check because I hadn't done it in a while. So here is a back piece of my hair. Okay, so let's see. Here is my nipple right there, and